Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert text into realistic AI-generated speech using OpenAI's text-to-speech API. Whether you are building a voice assistant, audiobook, or any AI-powered voice solution, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. Let's dive in.
Okay, so let us run the project. Hmm. So I'm running PHP artisan serve. Let us open this on the browser. I have to open my account, and here it is. CSS is not loading properly. I have to run the npm run the. So I'm using npm 20 to change the version to 20. Upload. Now let us open the web route and let us create one route. Let us name it to convert text to speech or text to speech. Um, I think that is great text to speech only. That is more relatable. And let us create a function named as convert text to speech. And in this, we'll be passing static text, and in output, we will be receiving the audio with the same text. So let us take a string named as $text variable. And let us pass the data here like, hi, my name is Akash. How can I help? And that looks correct. So what it will do, it will pass this text to our OpenAI functions, and in return, we will get the response which we will be storing into the public storage. So let us call the service method because I create every function on my services, and in controller I just call them. You can create the function directly on the controller also. That depends upon you. Let us create the function here. Public function convert text to audio. And there are other functions also which I have mentioned, explained in my previous videos. You can watch them too. And the last, you'll see the link of those videos, or you can just open the playlist. The link may have arrived in the starting. Let us try and catch the uh, basic syntax of error handling, and let us GD if there is any error. I will take one variable response, and I'll be calling the same audio functions, but instead of transcribe, I would be calling speech. Speech basically takes multiple parameters, but we'll be using only three parameters. One would be the model, other would be the text, the input, and the last would be the voice. And there are multiple voices. You can check the documentation in the OpenAI, and they'll show you like 7 to 8 voices. So on the basis of your requirement, you can add any voice you want. So the third parameter would be voice, and I'll show you like where you can find. So open the OpenAI voices. Click the first link, and you can see these voices like Eloy, Ash, Nova, and all these voices. So this is the documentation. I'm just using Alloy, and this you have to use in small letters. So I just pasted it from there, but it has to be small letter. So I'll correct this, and let us write one unique file name, because after getting the response, you have to store that into any file also. So let us write the subspeech underscore time for uniqueness and then MP3. If you have any other algorithm to create that file name, you can use that. And let us mention the file path. So I'll be storing everything into the public repository of storage. Uh, so under the speech method, so I have already given the permissions to create the folders to the Laravel. So I just mentioned the path here, and it will automatically create the folder if it doesn't exist, but if it exists, it will add the speech into, this MP3 into that folder. So this one looks correct. And now let us put the response into this file. So storage, disk public, I'll be using public only, and put methods to put the response into the file. So I'll be using the file path and of response instead of file name. That is actually mistake. I'm just going to correct it. Let me write the context, because this audio is recorded after I have created this video and the screen shared video. So storage, and let us change that to a response, or let us run one more thing. We have to do PHP artisan storage link so that it could link to the public repository, else it would not be accessible to the public. And here I have changed to response, and as you can see, voice is also changed to alloy. And now you can see it got generated properly. And let us play this audio and check if it is working or not.
Hi, my name is Akash. How can I help?
That works perfectly fine.
I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content.